Welcome to our latest WhatsApp tutorial. Today, we're diving into a feature that's perfect for those who value privacy and want to keep their group chats clutter-free. We'll show you how to set a 7-day message timer for a specific group within a WhatsApp community. This updated feature ensures your messages disappear automatically, giving you more control over your conversations. Let's get started with the simple steps to set up this handy feature. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the application. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a new tab called Communities. This is where the magic happens. Tap on this tab to access all your WhatsApp communities. Now, scroll through your list of communities and find the one that contains the group you want to modify. Tap on the community to open it up. Inside the community, you'll see a list of groups. Find the specific group you want to set the timer for and tap to open it. At the top of the group chat, you'll see the group's name. Tap on the name to access the group settings. In the group settings, scroll down until you find the disappearing messages option. Tap on it to reveal the timer options. Here's where you set the 7-day timer. You'll see several options, but for this tutorial, we're choosing 7 days. Tap on this option to select it, and just like that, you're done. From now on, any new messages sent in this group will automatically disappear after 7 days. Remember, this setting only applies to new messages. It won't affect any messages that were sent before you activated the timer. Also, keep in mind that while this feature enhances privacy, it's always a good idea to be mindful of what you share in group chats. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore other WhatsApp features to make the most of your messaging experience. Happy chatting, and we'll see you in the next video.